Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a cumin chicken. Did you ever cook with cumin? Did you ever try my cumin beef? The cumin has very strong flavor, very bold flavor. And let me show you the ingredients. I have one chicken breast, and here's a cumin powder, chili powder, and vegetables and aromatics. One bell pepper, just need a half. And we just cut into slices like that. I have one red onion. You can also use white onion. Just cut into similar size like that. We also need a few slices of ginger. Should be enough. And a handful of cilantro. Remember, cilantro became my new friend. And next we're going to slice the chicken. Chicken already washed. Just need to trim the fat. Now we just slice it. For chicken, you can just cut at an angle like this. Now our chicken is sliced thinly. Next, we're going to season it. To season the chicken as usual, I add the salt, white pepper powder. If you don't have it, you can use ground black pepper, and use potato starch, or you can use corn starch. This we called velveting. This is how we make a chicken tender. And just a little bit of water. Mix it. And we just seal it with some oil. I know some of you ask why we use oil now. Later we'll add oil to cook. So oil basically seals the seasoning. And also when you cook, it's not so sticky. And we just let this sit for a few minutes, and we're ready to cook. I'm heating up the wok to high. It's hot. We add oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use any vegetable oil. Followed by our ginger slices. First we'll cook our chicken. Takes a few minutes. Okay, after a few minutes, our chicken is ready. Let's just take out, set aside. I'm gonna clean the wok. Now I'm heating up the wok to medium heat. Just add little bit more oil. And we're gonna cook peppers and onions. Add a little bit of salt to help it to get tender. It will take a few minutes, and you can cook to your own liking. I know some of you like it more crunchy. After a few minutes, you can see our onions, peppers getting good color. Now we add the chicken. Mix. Now we season with cumin powder to your own taste. Should be enough. And chili powder. A little bit of salt. And finish with cilantro. Our cumin chicken is ready. Smells so good. Looking great too. Wow. Are you ready to try?
I'm ready. It smells incredible.
Give you a piece of pepper too, and cilantro. You can see I also sprinkled some cumin powder. Enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow, that was great. I love it.
A little spicy.
That's great.
Crunchy onion. Please try to make it. As usual, I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box below. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.